All right, a lesson for today on marriage and relationships. Okay, this one is entitled A Strong Bond. Key scripture, 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verses 1 through 23. And unto the married I command, yet not I, but the Lord. Let not the wife depart from her husband. 1 Corinthians 7:10. Two pieces of wood, when properly glued together, are stronger than the wood itself. One needs to apply the right amount of glue and bond the two tightly together. If the process is rushed or not correctly done, it will not last. If it breaks apart, it usually leaves two pieces of broken wood. This is a sharp contrast to two boards joined together that endure as one strong board. These same principles applied to marriage bring forth similar results. After the man had been created in Genesis chapter 2, there was no helper found among the animals suitable for the man. So God made a woman. Therefore shall a man leave his father and mother, and shall cleave to his wife, and they shall be one flesh. That is Genesis 2:24. God and his love needs to be the glue that bonds man and wife together. With time, trials will come their way. They are designed to bring the marriage closer together, but they can also bring it to a breaking point. If God is in the center, the marriage will last. Yes, the relationship will actually become stronger. What if one spouse is not grounded in God's love? What if both are serving self? What if the marriage was bonded together by earthly treasures? Is it any wonder that some marriages fail? Serving the Lord and functioning in marriage require sacrifice. Without that, we are heading down the wrong road. If the Lord is not in the center of your marriage, it is not too late to change. Ask Him, ask God to glue your marriage relationship, and He will. Stand together when trials and setbacks come, and the bond will be strengthened. Allow God and His love to be the glue in the middle, and you will experience a strong bond. All right, great words. And this was written by a lady of the name, let me see, bad lighting, Marian Cons of Millersburg, Ohio. Okay, one more little thing here. Let's read this. A threefold cord is not easily broken. All right. Threefold. Husband, wife, God. All right. Great lesson. If you enjoyed this, share it along to someone who might need to hear it or like to hear it. All right. Want to hear some other lessons that I've gone over? You can always check out my playlist, God Given Words, here on the channel. And I will be adding more in the future. So if you would ever consider subscribing, you can click on that bell, and anytime I place one out, you'll be notified. All right, have a blessed rest of your week. Thank you for stopping by and having a listen. All right, take care. Bye.